social studies today. We're going to go over, what do you need, Nick?
Look how dull my pencils are.
No, you should have pencil sharpener.
I don't have one.
Sorry. Social studies this week, we're reviewing those colonies, those 13 colonies we learned about before break. Okay, so we're going to start today with a little PowerPoint that you're going to look through and fill in some answers on this 13 colonies worksheet. Some people already got it submitted at home. So those of you here have a hard copy, have a paper copy of it to fill in and take a picture and submit. Those of you working at home have this here. So you see some blanks filled in. All of these blanks, all of the answers to this and the next page can be found in the PowerPoint I'm going to show you. Okay? Let's go back here. Unit 3. Tomorrow we're going to label the 13 colonies because that'll be part of what's on your test as well. So you'll be labeling the 13 colonies. We'll be answering questions on the test, which will be Friday. Okay, this Unit 3 review test will be Friday. So we'll have all week to review, practice those colonies and where they're located at on a map. Okay? And some of the information that we read in chapters 5, 6, and 7. And then next week, we'll start the American Revolutionary War. Okay? This kind of gets us into that and refreshes some of that information we need. So when you open this PowerPoint, you could just scroll through it like this if you wanted. Okay? But none of these links are going to work. So you're going to send yours to Keynote. Mine's going to work a little different here on the computer. Let me grab it down here. And then you have the little play button up in the corner that you click on to play it as a PowerPoint. Just thinking about it still. There it goes. And I'm going to view as a slideshow here. Slideshow. Play from start. So you're just going to hit the play button on your iPad and then you'll go through these different slides to find those answers. I'm not going to go through it with you because it's pretty much word for word in there. Okay? It'll be kind of silly for me to go through this with you. And some of that information is stuff you might already know because a lot of that came from those chapters we read before break. Okay? So you have some extra links here kind of in the PowerPoint. I can't find my arrow. There it is. Okay, that you could, questions that they're asking. There is a video here somewhere. Trying to find it. Oh, there it is. See the videos? So you can copy and paste those and watch those videos to get a better idea of things that went on as we begin this new world. Okay? So today's social studies is filling in that 13 colonies worksheet front and back, taking pictures of the front and the back and submitting that to the 13 colonies worksheet on Schoology, okay? Using the PowerPoint. And tomorrow I'm going to add another piece to our Unit 3 review information, okay? Questions, Riker?
In like 30 or 40 years, is there going to be like a textbook and shows about how terrible 2020 is?
Exactly.
Is there going to be like a textbook on that?
I would think so.
Like
I don't know.
It's going to be a
Riker, you know what? You should make that book.
Yeah.
You make that book and then there will be.
I made that book and Barbie's Horse Adventure.
There you go. See?
I'm proud of myself.
We need to get your signature because when you're famous, we'll say, hey, we know that guy.
Might as well get it now. Might as well get it now.
All right, other questions besides coronavirus questions about what you're doing. 13 colonies worksheet, you're going to open that PDF or the PowerPoint to use that and complete that worksheet. Hunter, question? You're good? Okay, all right. All right, I'm going to let you work.